blue, ocean, mystery, potion, back up, toast it, over, my butt. What are you speaking to?
Okay, you guys, so I just finished doing my braids, as you can see.
PTSD starting to kick in, so I gotta get high.
Okay, so now I'm about to put my wig on, and okay, so I have the wig on now, and I'm about to put some ghost bar glue to hold down the front. This is how long it is on me. So once I finish this, then I'll come back on the camera. Okay, I had to record on my phone because my camera ran out of memory, so I'm about to, as I said, apply the ghost bar glue on the closure. This hair is really thick, y'all, like really thick. Like honestly, I didn't even need to use 3 bundles, because I'm gonna get 3 bundles. Like, this is the only strand of hair that I didn't get on the wig, and honestly, you don't even need, honestly, you could do 2 bundles with this, because it's real thick. I'm gonna just pull the wig up now, and then press down. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and my comb and so I'm gonna cut it off into pieces. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Got to Be spray and spray. I don't got no money. I don't got barely nothing else in here. Let me clean up the excess, because okay, now I'm just gonna go in with my alcohol and clean around here. Just clean. go in with some makeup. So I'm gonna go in. I want to try this one. Let me see. One thing I shouldn't have done was cut the lips, but now I know for next time to just do the fold over method, because that's actually what I did with the last 2 tracks. Y'all, as y'all can see, I'm really just going with the flow and learning as I go, because I don't know what the hell I'm doing right now. I never worked with synthetic hair before, so it's new for me. Because if y'all seen my other videos with my frontals, y'all know your girl had it laid. It was invisible, okay? Yeah, this is definitely more the color for me. You see, you can't even see it compared to this side. I put contour on it. I don't know why I did it. And I need to fix this right here, because why is the cap right there? Look at that compared to that. Like, why would I put contour on it? Like, really, why would you put a dark color right there? And this is an e.l.f. palette I got from Target. Nothing special or fancy, but it gets the job done. I'm not even this light for real, but I'm gonna try to blend it in. I'm gonna finesse it, you know. Gotta play with it till you get it right. So that's the vibe. Now I'm kind of liking the little wavy. Okay, that looks a little bit better. Looks way better than how I was looking before. When I tell y'all this is so much hair, this is a lot of hair. But I don't know if I'm gonna press it out, because I'm not sure how to get the curls back if I do press it out. But what they have to say, this wig is on flat. Looking like, what's that? Ooh, the curl looks so good. Let me see if I can get it for y'all. It's getting a lot of body. I'm gonna look up how to get the curls back once I press it out. At least my shit is flat. Look at me. Yeah, I think I'm flatten it. Okay. Yeah, honestly, because I'm not gonna lie, before I cut it, it wasn't shedding. But once I cut the wefts, they were shedding. It's shedding like crazy right now. So my best bet is to double cut, just do the flip over method. But now I know for next time, don't cut it, because it's just shit, right? And don't let them walk around looking like any cats. Okay. Oh my gosh, so cute.